What's up guys, it's the Biker Brit here. It's been a while. Haven't really been able to decide what I want to talk about, but I've thought of a subject. Just when I was getting ready to leave today, popped into my head and I thought of it. And I know when I was looking into this, I couldn't find much information on it apart from online forums, so I thought I'd put something on YouTube for it. Is this car? Yeah. I put something on YouTube. There isn't much for it on there. And the subject I want to talk about is contact lenses and riding a motorcycle. Now, personally, I've been stuck with glasses for almost well, not all my life, but since I was very young. I had contact lenses for a bit. I was also very lazy, so I never really used them that much. That was it for me, really. I stopped using them, and then I got on a bike, and it's definitely something that has benefited me by quite a bit. What made me decide to get contact lenses is probably a very common issue lots of you experience, and that's foggy glasses. There's nothing worse. Oh, sorry. Thought the kid was happy to see the bike and he's afraid. Oh, I feel so bad. Yeah, foggy glasses. Now, I was fine. The summer's fine. Everyone loves the summer. And it isn't until you get to winter time where you start to notice these issues. That comes in with a steamed up visor and stuff like that, which means you're constantly riding with your visor open. I got in a situation once where I was out riding at night and it started pissing it down. And I had my visor open for a little bit and it got completely soaked. Well, my glasses and that got completely soaked, which meant it was all cold. So I was stuck in a catch, what's the term? Catch 20 situation sort of thing. I don't know, catch 22 I think it is. If I had my visor open, I couldn't see because the water was all over my eyes. And if I had my visor closed to stop the water getting in my glasses, it would fog up. So I had to keep them open and ride fast enough that they didn't fog up, try as hard as possible to look through the wet glasses and at the rain. And that was scary. So I've decided, I got a pin lock, and that's amazing. Pin locks are amazing. The only thing I've noticed is if they get wet themselves, you have to wipe them, and then if you don't wipe them properly, you can scratch them, and because it's such a soft membrane plastic sort of thing, it really can ruin it. And I've accidentally done that a little bit to mine, but but I still had the glasses problem. The glasses, the bit closest to my face allowing me to see, would fog up themselves. So I got back into contact lenses. I first looked at laser eye surgery, and Jesus Christ, that's expensive. So I went for contact lenses, and it is amazing. Now, I did have worries at first that it wouldn't be something I could wear, because I like to keep my visor open sometimes, and I like to be able to see. I looked it up. Some people said, yeah, it's fine. No, I didn't like it. And for me, it's been a godsend. Even if I have my visor open, you blink like a maniac because you're drying out your contact lenses, but otherwise it's fine. I haven't had any issues. And when you first do it, it's quite humorous. You keep trying to take off your glasses before you put your helmet on, but there's nothing there, so it's quite funny. But if you're looking at getting contact lenses and you ride a motorcycle and you're getting them for when you ride a motorcycle, go for it. Specsavers, you get your free trial. It's not that expensive. £15 a month for 2 sets or something like that. I don't know. It does the job more than anything, and it's definitely something you should try. If it's not something you like, then, well, you don't have to do it. But for me, I found them to be really good. I go with monthlies because I don't like having to deal with lots and lots of packets of lenses. I'd much rather just have some that I put in and out and store them in water. You know, it's much nicer. I really can't wait for summer. It's going to be amazing. You know, I've got a really good bike now. I've got some nice gear. I'm going to have better gear soon. Sticky tyres, dry roads. It's going to be good. But yeah, just to recap, you should definitely look at lenses. There's absolutely nothing wrong with using them while riding. It's very much a preference thing. You do have to mind wearing lenses, etc. Me, I've always been okay with just putting my finger in my eye. It sounds weird, but it's just something I can do. I'm not squeamish, so I just throw them in almost. And it's good for what you get, for the prices you pay. It's really good. Fucking cyclists.